Hi guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a very nice Bobcat 66-inch twin disc Brushcat. This is going to be a serial number B37K, which is a 66-inch standard flow, and it will be a 15 to 24 gallon a minute. It's going to fit your T590s. I have it on S650 here today. We've just put brand new blades under it. We did clean and paint it. All new decals from Bobcat have been put on. Hoses, couplers are all very good. Rear roller wheel, front skid shoes. I'm going to fire up the machine here. We're going to mow with it for you so you can see how it mows. But this is their twin motor. So it has 4 blades underneath it, front deflector chains. The unit's not welded or busted up. It is in good condition. There's no oil leaks, anything like that. We did check gearbox oils on the direct drive motors. Everything there is in good shape. The deck itself is not busted up. We took very good pictures. And we'll go ahead, fire us up, run it around, show you what it's supposed to do. Here we go. Underneath of it, the pan discs are in good condition. There's still Bobcat stickers on the blades we purchased and put on from Bobcat. Everything works the way it is supposed to. Starts, runs, and works the way it's supposed to. It's a good mower, and you see this mower is one that will flex in many directions off of a front pivot ball like they use in a trunnion on a dozer. Nice setup. There's no oil leaks anywhere that we have found. Again, it is a good mower. That's why we took the time, hooked it up, show you everything works. So it's something we like to do here a little different at our place. If you have any questions, 814-658-3066. Please check our website, www.marksupplyco.com. See us on Tractor House, Machinery Trader. Glad to help you anything we can do there. Again, I'm Nick Miller, 814-658-3066. As always, thanks for checking out Mark Supply Company.